Depression is something many people feel. It is more than just sadness. Sometimes a person feels sad for 1 day or 2 days, and then they feel better. That is normal. Everyone feels sad sometimes. But depression is different. Depression is when the sadness stays for a long time. It does not go away. It can last for weeks or even months. It makes life feel heavy. It makes people feel tired, even when they do nothing. It makes it hard to smile or feel joy. Even the things people once enjoyed no longer feel good. Many people in the world live with depression. Some people talk about it. Some people do not. Some people hide their feelings. They smile in public, but they cry when they are alone. Depression is not always visible. You cannot always see it, but it is real. It is something inside the mind and inside the heart. A person with depression may feel many different things. They may feel sad. They may feel tired. They may feel alone. Sometimes they feel empty. They may sleep too much, or they may not sleep at all. They may not want to eat, or they may eat too much. Some people feel pain in their body. They feel headaches or stomach aches, but the doctor says they're fine. Still, the pain is real. It comes from the sadness inside. Some people cry every day. Some people do not cry at all. Some people do not want to talk. They feel like no one understands. They feel like no one listens. They may feel useless. They may think they're not good enough. They may believe they're a problem. But they're not a problem. They are a person who needs help, care, and love. Depression can happen to anyone. It does not matter if you are rich or poor, young or old. It does not matter where you live. It does not matter what job you have. Depression can come into anyone's life. Sometimes it happens after something sad, like losing a job, ending a relationship, or losing someone you love. Sometimes it happens after a big change in life. But sometimes there is no reason. It just comes. That is because depression is not only about the outside world. It is also about what happens inside the brain. There are chemicals in the brain that help control emotions. When these chemicals are not balanced, it can lead to depression. Many people think depression is a weakness, but that is not true. Depression is not weakness. It is an illness. It is something that needs care, just like a broken arm or a sick body. We do not tell people with a broken leg to just walk. So we should not tell people with depression to just smile. They need time, they need help, and they need understanding. If you feel like you are depressed, it is important to talk to someone. Talk to a friend. Talk to a family member. Talk to a doctor. Do not stay silent. You are not alone. Many people understand how you feel. There is help. There are people who care. There are doctors who can help. There are medicines that can help. There is therapy. Therapy is when you talk to a trained person about your feelings. They listen. They help you find ways to feel better. You can learn to understand your emotions. You can learn to care for yourself again. Sometimes, people think they will never feel better. But that is not true. Depression can get better. It takes time, but it can change. People who feel very sad today may feel peace again in the future. It is possible. Life can feel good again. The sun can shine again. You are not broken. You are not lost. You are still here. You are still strong. If you know someone who may be depressed, try to be kind. Try to listen. You do not need to give advice. Just be there. Say, I am here for you. Say, you are not alone. Say, it is okay to feel sad. Sometimes small words can help a lot. You never know how much one kind word can mean to someone. Sometimes people with depression want to be alone. That is okay, but still check on them. Send a message. Call them. Let them know you care. Even if they do not answer, they will see it, and it may help them feel less alone. Taking care of your mental health is very important. Just like you take care of your body, you must take care of your mind. Try to sleep well. Try to eat healthy food. Try to move your body, even just a little. Try to go outside. Nature can help. Light can help. Talking can help. Music can help. Pets can help. Art can help. Every little step matters. Even if it feels small, it is still a step forward. Sometimes depression makes everything feel slow. It makes people feel stuck. That is okay. Go slowly. One step at a time. One day at a time. Do not rush. Do not compare yourself to others. You are on your own path. Your journey is yours. And it is important. You may not feel strong, but you are still here. That is strength. Waking up is strength. Trying again is strength. Asking for help is strength. Saying, I need help is not weakness. It is one of the bravest things you can do. Some people write in a journal. They write about their feelings. That helps them understand what is inside. Some people draw or paint. Some people sing. Some people pray. Everyone is different. What helps one person may not help another. But it is okay. You can find what works for you. You can learn to care for your mind and your heart. Depression does not mean you are broken. It does not mean you are a bad person. It does not mean you are weak. It means you are human. And humans feel many things. Humans have pain. Humans have joy. Life is not always easy, but it is always worth living. If you ever feel like giving up, please talk to someone. Please tell someone how you feel. Your life is important. Your life matters. Even if you cannot see the light now, it is there. It may be far, but it is there. You will see it again. The world needs you. Your voice matters. Your story matters. You matter. Sometimes we feel tired. Sometimes we feel like we are walking in the dark. But the sun always rises again. The light always returns. Even after the darkest night, there is a new morning. You can feel better. You can heal. You can smile again. Please remember, you are not alone. Many people care. I care. The world cares. We are all connected. We are all human. We all need kindness. Thank you for listening to this story. Thank you for giving your time. If you're learning English, I hope this helped you. If you are feeling sad, I hope this brought some peace. If you know someone who needs help, please share this video. Speak with love. Act with care. Let us help each other. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please leave a comment. Tell us how you feel. Tell us where you are from. You are part of this community now. Take a deep breath. You are doing your best. You are enough. You are strong. You are loved. Thank you.
See you next time.